guys, so today we have a Dollar Tree haul, Burlington Coat Factory, Bells Outlet. So we're going to start with the Dollar Tree. I have my table that I'm putting together, my dining room table, and I'm trying to make it very Pottery Barn on a budget. So I just wanted to mention these. The Dollar Tree, first of all, hold on. The Dollar Tree has some really cute plates, if you can find them. If you can't find them, you can go and look on the website, but I'll try to insert a photo of them here. So I've been looking for them. We've gone to like every store in Jacksonville and could not find them. And then on the Dollar Tree page that I'm a part of on Facebook, someone posted these. And I thought they were beautiful. I think they look very Pottery Barn-esque. They're like watercolor pumpkins and gourds. And they are $1.50 at Family Dollar. So those, very cute. So I went ahead and I looked. Mom grabbed a Pottery Barn book the last time that we went walking around the town center, and they had these little placemats underneath a charger. And I'm gonna try, I think I'm just gonna have to order them because I feel like I'm not gonna find them and just have them send to my Dollar Tree. You can get 6 chargers sent, which is a minimum, but for the plates, you have to have a whole case sent. So you have to have 24 plates. So, I don't know. But anyhow, I got this placemat, and this is more of like a salmon color. It's kind of like a little muted
It looks
orange,
really good.
But that's what it's gonna end up looking like, plus a charger. I wanna get the wooden looking chargers. So I also got some of these because down the center of my table, if you've seen some of my videos for fall so far, I have a bunch of pumpkins. Well, I took my candles that were on that center thing anyhow, my little short pillar candles from Dollar Tree, and I think I've seen a lot of people do like this and like glue them together and paint them. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I grabbed 6 of them. I might just put them individually like this and put the pillar candle on top and see if that makes the candles stand out a little bit more, because right now they're kind of hard to see through all the pumpkins. So I got 6 of those.
But that'll be a cute DIY.
I also picked up this, which I haven't seen before, but it's Salon Selective's Leave-In Soothing Argan Oil from Morocco Conditioner. So it says it smooths and protects frizzy hair. It says, leave in your hair. This unique lightweight formula, sulfate-free, containing argan oil, helps repair and protect your hair. After washing and conditioning, apply 1 to 2 quarter-size amounts evenly to damp hair, moving from root to tip. Do not rinse. Style as desired. So I had previously, I don't know if I hauled this or not, but I previously had picked up some conditioner from the Dollar Tree, hoping that it was going to be as good as this deep conditioner that I usually get. It's not. It dried my hair out. That's why my hair looks like a frizzy mess right now. So I'm working on getting it back to being its luscious self. So I picked this up. I'm gonna try it. Then as we were walking through the Dollar Tree, there was this huge box of these with like bigger boxes on top, and these are expensive in the store. So we grabbed them. They don't go bad until the end of October, so I don't think that's why they were there. I'm not sure why they were there. But Mom opened hers tonight for dinner, and she thought they were really, really good. I also picked up shaving cream. I like men's shaving cream. I swear to God, it works better. I have a bunch of different cake mixes up in my cabinet that I noticed last night when I went to go grab one to take to my dad's for the game. And I don't have any icing, so I picked up a chocolate fudge icing to keep on hand. And then talking about the game at my dad's, he has a Keurig. Ooh, this says new 2.0 compatible. Pause for noise. I just noticed it says new Keurig 2.0 compatible cup, so I hope this fits in my dad's Keurig. But it's the Edmonds hot chocolate. I've seen a couple people haul these, and I figured once the season like comes into the cool season, these will be good.
How many comes in there?
3.
Okay.
Which isn't a bad deal. I want to say
name brand.
I want to say 3 at like Walmart is definitely more than $1. And then I just got a bunch more of these candle pillar things. I also picked up a Welch's Concord grape jelly for my fridge, and Allie has me on a goldfish kick. I went to her house and she has the one that's like 4 pounds. So I just picked up this. This actually lasted me all week, and I figured it's better than going and getting the 4-pound one and it going bad. So,
or double eating.
I picked up those.
Overeating.
Yeah. And then that's all I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'll let you show your Dollar Tree, and then we'll do Bell's Outlet, Dee Dee's, and Burlington.
Okay. So when I was there, they had one of these, and it is so cute. It really is.
Mind you, I've seen people get 2 of them and they liquid stitch them together and stuff them to make pillows out of them.
And I'm going to tell you, that would be absolutely adorable.
Fun fact.
Adorable. And I got some razors. And I got some guacamole because we haven't seen it in a pretty long while. And I got some of these because you guys know that I'm a snacky queen. And I can't help myself. But when I'm here at the house and I'm cleaning and I'm doing all my chores, and through the week I really try and just stay home. So I like to have my snacks. And for the lake house, I get this bathroom cleaner for the showers. So both of these in each bathroom and one in the kitchen. And then I get a little bleach and some Downy, which smells absolutely fabulous. I got one of these because this with a plate on it just looks absolutely adorable.
Side note, they also have these, all the pumpkins in white. I forgot to tell you guys that. Mom
Actually,
has that
you can
one
show
somewhere.
it. Yeah,
Where
you,
is that one?
in my bedroom. My bedroom is all gray. Right now it's gray, white, and orange. So the walls are gray. Everything around the doors and everything is a stark white. And my bathroom has gray tile in it. So this
is the white one that they have.
It looks so cute in the gray.
So they have the 2 different ones to choose from. Oh, here. Just so you can see them side by side.
Yes.
Yeah.
Super cute. So I also got one of these for scrubbing my shower. It gets like a soap scum buildup because my husband cannot use liquid soap. He has to use bar soap, and that really gets on your shower. So this really helps get it off. And of course some of these, because this is what we do at night when we're watching our shows, we all floss. And while we were there at the Dollar Tree, they got a new selection of movies in. And so I like to get movies for the motorhome in case you're somewhere. And so I got the little basket. This is like a plastic basket. And then we got a handful of new movies. So I'll let you see which ones we got. And now
that one has 4 movies on it.
4 movies, yes. And this came from Target.
This one has So Undercover with Miley Cyrus, The Baby Makers with Paul Snider, Labor Pains with Lindsay Lohan, and Bernie, which is Jack Black. So they're all like well-known movies, you know.
Okay, so you've seen our movies and our cute little basket. So I have a whole little closet in the motorhome where I keep all the movies and things like that. So
and then Mom also got a box of the
crackers. Did, and we already busted them open tonight and had them with our dinner. Once we ate our garlic toast, and we tested them, and they are delicious and fresh and yummy.
So I think that's everything you got from the Dollar Tree.
See, that's yours.
Next, so I saw this, and I think, I don't know, anything that's like chill pill related, just it strikes a chord with me. And then I saw it was Juicy Couture, which I don't know if you guys are even going to be able to see that. There you go. And it says that it retails for $12, and Bell's Outlet had it for $5.99. So I thought it was nice because if you go anywhere, it comes with like the little pill case, and then the inside of it is pink and says Juicy Couture.
Super cute.
And then the little
that way your pills cannot fall out.
Well, I just sometimes I'm like a walking pharmacist right now, and I hate all of my pills in their little bottles, so this is going to be my solution to that. And that's all I got from Bell's Outlet.
Okay, so we went by Dee Dee's also, and I got this cute little shirt, and you can fold the sleeves up, and it has a little strap that'll keep them up. And it was on clearance for
$4.99.
$4.99, and the regular price was
$70. And it's by Harvey Bernard.
And it's a wash and wear shirt, which means every time you wash it and take it out of the dryer, it's going to look just like this. And it's nice and fitted and darted. And I used to be a really black. I loved black everything. And now since I got my new purse, my Louis Vuitton, I'm sort of like a brown girl now. So I'm swapping over a little bit. So while we were there,
this was the main reason we went shopping today.
Because I scrubbed my shower as usual, like I do, and I noticed that my shower caddy was just absolutely yuck. So I took it out and I was gonna scrub it, and I said, you know what? This thing is way past scrubbing. So I just threw it out, and when I went to Dee Dee's, they had this one for $7.99. And if you know, this $7.99 is a bargain because they're usually like $13.99, $14. So it fits right in the corner of your shower, and it's perfect. I also got this at Dee Dee's today.
Which this was a bargain too.
Yes. It's just all pumpkins, and it's got a lot of gold in it, which I love.
And it's
gold.
a tapestry table runner.
Tapestry, and it's long. I mean, it's a good, it says 13 by 54 inches. So that gives you an idea of how long it is, and it was
$3.99.
$3.99. So that's a really good deal.
And then I got one thing from Dee Dee's, and I'm gonna try these. They're out of my comfort zone, but I've seen a lot of people, specifically, this is gonna sound weird, specifically over in the UK, and they're all wearing these pants.
I love them.
And I know like gingham is coming back, which is what they are.
Mm-hmm. Or houndstooth for you older people that might be watching.
But the butt is darted up here.
So it's all fitted.
And the only thing about it is it's a little bit loose around like my torso, like up here where it hits, because right through here is like the smallest part on my body. But other than that, it's decent. I think it could be dressed up or dressed down. I think this would be cute with like a band tee, but it would also be cute like dressed up to go out to dinner.
Absolutely.
So,
beautiful. What was the price on that?
these were originally $8.99. I got them for $6.49.
So that's a really good, here.
And they're like a starchy material.
Yeah, they're a wash and wear also. So when you wash them and you pull them out or dry them or whatever, they're gonna look beautiful. Now, we also went to Burlington, and I had been wanting one of these pumpkins with a hole in the bottom.
Again, with the Pottery Barn, we're on this Pottery Barn kick. But right now, they have these, and you find a lot of them if you look. They're the glass blown pumpkins, but they don't have the hole in the bottom. They have just the piece of glass there with the hole in the bottom. I don't know so much about this one, but probably they're stackable. So if you wanted to, you could stack them, or you can shove lights up into them, which is what Pottery Barn had. They had fairy lights. They had a bunch of these laid out, and then fairy lights shoved up into them.
And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the fairy lights up in it also.
But this was the first one that we saw, so it's $12.99 with the compared value at $34.95.
So this is made of brass, so you can see how pretty that is.
And it's got like a pearly sheen sprayed over it.
And it's very ornate up here, so I loved it. So I went ahead and picked that up. So we'll show you what that looks like with the lights in it. And, oh, I got one other thing. While we were at Bell's Outlet, I always like to look at their little clearance shoes. And these are made by Seven. And they were on clearance, and they fit superb. And I mean, they are so pretty. And they were
originally $12, and you got them for $5.99.
So, but if you look up that name brand, it's a very expensive name brand. And they fit really good. And I'm quite a bit of a shoe freak. And then I got, I guess I can't show that.
No, you can't.
Okay, I got a Christmas present, so I can't show y'all that in case one of the people it belongs to watches. And they do. But anyway, I got these rugs, and they're really a nice size. These are
BB 24 by 40.
Yeah, 24 by 40, and they're name brand, and they were on clearance for $7.99. What's that regular price say?
30.
So $30 for $7.99. I got 2 of these. So pretty, and they're really yummy feeling.
Those are like your favorite kind of bath rugs, it seems.
I like these. Yeah, I like these a lot.
So, I do believe that's everything we got today. We went out for a shower caddy and got a handful of other things.
Yes, we did.
But thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
And then this is Mom's front door from the last haul. She got the leaves, so I'll turn my light on here in a second, but she put lights in the topiaries that were in the back. Those are her leaves she got. Looks good with the wreath I made.
Mm-hmm. So pretty.